Oh, I'm just recommending you talk to your doctor about any booster shots so that you have booster shots and that everything's up to date and, uh-huh. Well, so far, we don't have any cases in our kennel, but our county's got 1 or 2 dogs that were reported Friday. So I have been putting everything on the Facebook that we have for news on the local scene, so. Yeah. Sure.